Hayini wefamily sanibonani. Ayinansi imhlola ke ngasenza istory ngesingisi. Hayibo sibhora sibhore mina family lana nje angizili ukuzoxoxa istory ngifuna nje sizihleke sihleke njengebhazi SA family. Yabona nami bengichashe bengingekho sure ukuthi ngisiposte lesa story ngeke ngahlala ebusuku. Okay ngiposte ebusuku mina before ngilala ukuze kuseni mengivuka istory sithi gqaba ku Facebook sithi gqaba ngo7 mase kuthi ku YouTube ngiyasilontunja mina ngishaya ukuthi public because mabe ngisenza sithi gqaba senza lento yokubala ye premiere yokubala ukuthi 10 9 mina ngiyithandile yanto kodwa ke iYouTube manager yami ithi iyasiza lonto leyo kumele ngiyenze mina ngiyithanda ngisho noma ngiyibona kwenye content creator ngivelane ngiyeke kusabala ukuyibona lento yokubala so ke yabona ke ebusuku ngisi-upload istory but ngiphinde ngisilalele ngithi hayi khona mani angeke akusimina lona and mase ngithi ngiyayilalela ivoice yami ngathi benginamahloni ngathi bengingabaza ngathi benginjani hayibo kodwa Jesu kukhona inhlaphe okuzoba better kwi-second time. So ke guys lalelani ke isiZulu sikhona isiZulu asindawo still istory nje ngisazoyi-uploada ngesiZulu mase kuthi i-English kuzoba i-second time. Ngikholwa ukuthi i-second time ngikholwa ukuthi isiZulu ngizosi-uploada namhlanje kusasa ngi-upload i-English namhlanje bekade ngiyithathela ama-chance nje ngaqala nge-English and lapho sengiyanqena ukuthi ngi-edithe isiZulu nginqeniswa yini nginqeniswa ukuthi istory senisibonile seniyasazi vele yabona because isizathu for i-English ukuthi sihithe leya target leya esingakayihithi guys kunzima bandla kodwa ke ngizobekezela ngifuna ukudlala ngani ngizobekezela ngizosenza isiZulu ngqabashe ngibe happy mase ngiyayenza i-English noma ingangijabulisi mina ngiyenze because asazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ubani ezomthola internationally sikhulise i-viewership yethu you understand iphuthe engilenzile mengi-uploada lesa story ngikhohliwe ukubhala eceleni ukuthi English version yabona kodwa going forward ngizobhala ukuthi English version Zulu version so that even if sesifika sesithola that international audience ingapheli phela amandla ithi ngqu estoryini story isiZulu inga-understand kwenzakalani ngifuna ukuthi babe ne-idea ukuthi nansi English version so I give myself a month ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngipenetrate the international audience and then ngizobuya ngizonikeza ama-updates into engiyibonayo ngami ukuthi yes we are a family and blah 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 sumndeni sihlangene sibhaze seyizamabhazarians sonke angibuyi ngizoxoxa ngikhulume nani yilo lapho ngilenzayo lelo kodwa ke manje sengifuna ukuthi ngini-informe more nje sikwazi ukuxoxa sikhulume sazi indaba yonke ngiyaxolisa family ngiyaluka njalo akubuhlungu ngine-afro ngiyaluka manje ngiyaxolisa umsindo wokuthi kuvulwe iline so yeah family nje ayingihlekeni bakwethu asihlekeni but ke as the time goes on istory sethu kuzoya ngokuya nathi sijwayele nje ukuthi sinarrate story in English but isiZulu nazi nje ukuthi isiZulu asiyindawo kanti futhi ne-English guys ukhona lo muzwa kimi othi give up ntombazane give up or thola omunye umuntu ozokwenza i-voice over ye-English but guys akukho lesiya ndawo akukho lesiya khona English ngizobekezela ngiyenze ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe kukhona abantu abazoyithanda internationally besides it an African accent angeke ngiforce mhlawumbe ngizenze enye accent nje sengizoba yimina kule English ngizovela ngibe yimina nje ngixoxa isiZulu ngayo le English ngikhululeke ngingaloku ngigade ukuthi pronunciation mhlawumbe mengithe used mhlawumbe kube ngathi igama nginqamule phakathi ngithe used uyabona ngazwakala ud so sengizovela ngixoxe nje ukuthi uyazwakala noma akuzwakali lo muntu lo ongaphesheya engimfuna uzo-understand so iyona ndaba ke guys ukuthi ngithi nje hayi bandla sesiphumile istory sokuqala nkosi yami hayi akenhleke ngoba nami benginamahloni shema ngifuna uqamba manga benginamahloni ngisi-uploada kodwa ngafika kule yanto yokuthi yabona manje sengiyinanishalanti lokhu okaramaphosa ukuthi nje ngikwazi ukuthi ngingabe ngisaba nobuhlungu, ngingabe ngisabuza ubuhlungu mhlawumbe ngihlungiswe i-comment, because I know ukuthi ngifunani, I know ukuthi ngifunani, ngibheke kuphi, ithini target. I'm trying to target abantu aba-overseas, and besides I've nginalento leyo ukuthi uNkulunkulu bengeke abekele siphiwo kumina engazi ukuthi usibekeleni, yena uyazi ukuthi usibekeleni, and mina nje ngiyibrush esandleni sikaNkulunkulu, yena uyapenda ngaso, upenda ngalesandla afuna ukupenda ngaso, apende la afuna ukupenda khona. So right now nje ngizodedela ukuthi kwenzeke lokho English, because engqondweni yami nasenhlizweni yami ngifeel ukuthi angikhulume lo English noma ingachazi injalo, but abantu abangasazi isiZulu phesheya mhlambe maybe ingabachaza, because if i-accent ehlukile, i-accent yase-Africa yabona i-accent ehlukile mhlambe thina ayisichazi, because we know better, sazi isiZulu yabona. So I don't know, but it is what it is, ukuthi ngizoqhubeka ngizosenza isingisi, ngizocela nibekezele nazi ukuthi isiZulu sikhona. Yabona nje mengiposta isingisi ngizobe isiZulu sengisipostile kwayizolo, namhlanje bengiqala ukwenza lokho because nje I wanted to bengifuna nje ukuqeda ngalento ye-English, because bengifakela i-stress engqondweni yabo, bengifuna nje ukuyidlulisa, ngaqala ngaso, ngangabe kusaba ngisho nesikhathi sokwenza i-content yesiZulu. But phinda lesa story ngesizulu because ngibona ukuthi senizwile already, but nizongazisa kwi-comment section down below ukuthi ngenze njani ngisenze isiZulu noma ngingasenzi. Nizongazisa ukuthi ngisenze noma ngingasenzi. Mengisho isiZulu ngikhuluma ngesiZulu se-story sayizolo, not isiZulu going forward, because going forward vele isiZulu soba khona, isona soqala ngaso. isiZulu sobeka sona phambili, abantu bethu bagculiseke isistory basizwe, mangabe besathanda futhi ukuthi basiphinde nge-English basiphinde futhi, because ngiya-understanda, ngiyabona i-comment section yenu family ukuthi niya-understand, ukuthi niya-understanda nje, futhi you are trying by all means to comfort me, and nje nenza ngako konke okusemandleni. Yo family, mina angiyazi indaba enje, yazi ukuthi umuntu ayithole lama family members are online, abantu abazopemparisha my feelings and try by all means not to ukuthi bangiphule or anything. I appreciate family, I highly appreciate your love and support. Nje ngiyalibona uthando lenu, ngiyalithanda, futhi I see ukuthi lana amabhazarian strong kakhulu, sindawonye, sisonke, si-family, sisonke sumndeni. So nje I highly appreciate family, and I don't wanna lie, I do appreciate a lot. So ke injalo ke lento, injalo lento. So namhlanje I'm not sure ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuthi ngi-upload sorry for tomorrow. I'm not sure ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuthi ngi-upload i-story, ngizoba nama-visitor, ngizovakashela abantu basemzini. So into ezokwenzakala manje, ngizovuka ekuseni ngikline, ngipheke, ngipheke, ngibalungiselele. So family, ukwenza kwami le content angivuleli i-opportunity yokuthi mhlawumbe ngibe bullied, mhlawumbe ngibulishwe. Okay, I know ukuthi kuma family members wami akekho umuntu ongangibullisha. I know ukuthi si community enothando, i-community eyakhanayo, but le story le message lenyenzayo engiyiposta lana ukuthi nginanzise nami ukuthi ngifila kanjani, sikuphi manje, ithini feeling, ngizizwa kanjani, yabona, njoba ngisho ukuthi asihlekeni, angisho phela ukuthi lapho seniyangidelela ngaloko, sengasho nje ukuthi ayiba kwethu, it is what it is, akukho lula. Nami ngiyeza ukuthi akukho mnandi njengesiZulu, but kuyikona lokho kuyikona, and ngokusho kwami lokho ngifuna ukuthi ningiphe amandla ukuthi ngiqhubekele phambili noma kunzima ngiyenza i-content ye-English, because I know ukuthi kuzojwayeleka, because kukodwa ukuxoxa nge-English, ukukhuluma nje nomuntu kukodwa, futhi mangabe usurekhoda i-story, it's very different if ungakajwayeli. But engisho nje ukuthi ngikhulumela lokuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngithole i-strength kunina, ningipha amandla, because it's hard ukuthi ubone nawe ukuthi hayi cha, this thing is not hitting the spot. It's hard, it's hard even nakumina, yayibona lonto leyo, it's hard. So the main reason why ngenza le content ukuthi ngithole loso strength, ngithole namandla from you family, ningitshela ukuthi hayi kona kuzwakala impela kungekho mnanjana, kodwa maybe as the time goes on sekuyazwakala sekuzonambithisiseka, and maybe as the time goes on kuzoyihitha i-audience. So we have 1 month target together, family, and maybe as the time goes on kuzo-improveka, or as the time goes on kuzoqala kunambithisiseke. But ke family, make sure ukuthi iZulu ke ngiyacela bandla, ngicela ukuthi iZulu nenze sure ukuthi niyashare nabantu iZulu, siyakhomenta ukuthi sikhule and nje sikwazi ukukhula bakwethu. Mukhulu nomsebenzi esiwenza lana samabhazariyeni, yabona, mukhulu noma phela ungekho 100% usadinga ama-touch-ups amaningi, but ke sometimes akukho lula ukwenza ama-touch-ups because sisebenza kwi-budget ye-YouTube ne-Facebook, yabo. Akukho easy ukuthi unikeze that Netflix standard ekubeni i-budget ayivumi, ngoba phela nathi whenever senze i-story suke sibala ukuthi singaspendi isikhathi eside kakhulu esitorini esisodwa, uthola ukuthi isikhathi esisipendile versus imali esizoyithola kugcine sekungahambelani, ibona leyo nto leyo. So family, kunjalo nje, kunjalo, but ke angipheli moya, nami angipheli moya, ngiyaweza amandla, noma kunzima ngizoqhubeka ngenze le English up until I will give myself a month. After a month ngizobe sengiya-check-a ukuthi ngi-check ama-analytics. Angize ngiwa-check ama-analytics up until I reach a month. Ngi-check ama-analytics ukuthi bakhona ni-new audience outside i-South Africa, yabona. And then ngizobe sengiyanitshela ke nginazise si discuss lento sumndeni siwumphakathi wasebhazi si discuss nje kube mnandi. Mase kuthi naku kokunye nansi enye inkinga, inkanankana yenkahlankahla engibhekene nayo, inkahlankahla yengadlangadla yenguzunguzu engibhekene nayo family. Mina family ngiyabathanda. Ngiyazi abantu abaningi bazothi animation or ama-cartoons or whatsoever. Mina ngiyabathanda opopayi, yabona nje, ngiyabathanda, like labo popayi lengibasebenzisayo ngiyabathanda. In such a way that ngicina senginopopayi abaningi, senginama-characters amaningi, mhlawumbe ama-characters wami manje afikile 100, but bengingafuni ukuthi nginithi phushu nginitshengise ama-characters wonke, because ngifise ngathi mhlawumbe singawazi ama-characters, ni-connecte nazi ama-real names for those characters. For an example, uBhebhenene, ngiyazi ukuthi uBhebhenene sengimlontshile, ngamlontsha walontsheka, seniyamazi ukuthi ubani uBhebhenene, yabo. Ngenidideke nje uBhebhenene niyamazi kakhulu, and namanye ama-characters ngiyafisa ukuthi niwazi kanjalo, niwabone, ni-connecte nawo, ngingabi nama-characters amaningi, yabona. So manje nginama-characters amaningi, so angazi, ngicela ukuzwa kunini ukuthi ningaba nenkinga yini ukuthi ama-characters mengidlala itori I bring different characters all the time, since ngisho ukuthi nginama-characters more than 100, ngine-collection, yabona. Nginaba-rich ababonakala ukuthi ba-rich, ngibe nabaphuwa, ngibe nomama abavuthiwe, obaba abavuthiwe, yabona, i-youth, ingane encane, nginama-characters amaningi guys, yabona. Mangabe nje ngirelaxile, ngirelaxa ngokuthi ngenza ama-character. Mengirelaxile ngirelaxa ngokuthi ngenza ama-character. Angisarelax kudala, bengirelaxa ngokuthi ngakhe, ngiyathanda ukwakha izindlu-ke nje, ngiyathanda ukwakha izindlu nokuyi-decorator, ngangirelaxa ngalokho mangabe ukuthi ngirelaxile. Manje-ke senginomunye umlungu wami waphesheya-ke manje obuye angithengisele izindlu zakhe, yabo, engibe ngiyithenga izindlu zakhe azakhile. But into engibhora ngezindlu zomlungu zinhle impela, but bengibhorwa indaba ye-lighting ukuthi usebenzisa opende abamhlophe, mina ngithanda opende abadark. So sengiyifundile-ke indaba ye-lighting ukuthi mina bekade ngi-overlighter indlu, mase kugcina indlu iba yimbi, sengilayithe kakhulu, sengiyazi ukuthi kumele ngilayithe kancane, ngifake i-lighting encane ukuze nje kubalance yonke into, because bengifaka, uthola ukuthi endlini ngifake amalambu mhlawumbe more than 10, kanti manje sengiyafaka mhlawumbe amalambu awu-2 noma awu-3 erumini elilodwa, kucace kahle, kungabi i-character izibe mpofu kanti kade ingekho mpofu due to i-lighting. So ke family, ake ningitshele ku-comment section ukuthi nifuna sikhiphe a small number of characters enizowazi, nikwazi uku-communicate nawo, nikwazi uku-connecta nawo, ngingabi nenqwaba yama-characters. Maybe at some point I can do a video at some point in life ngokwenza ivideo nginitshengise wonke ama-characters enginawo, and then decide ukuthi which ones to delete. Oh my gosh, kuyoba i-exercise painful leyo to delete a character. But at some point we'll need to delete those characters because mangabe kuukuthi nifisa ukuthi niconnect, so nizongazisa family down below, and then futhi ningazisa ukuthi ngiyenzeni lo video ngitshengisa ama-characters ngowagroupa ukuthi laba aba-rich naba nje abaphila impilo enormally. Even if mhlawumbe ngeke ngize ngiwa-delete, maybe at some point ngizowabeka kodwa ngeke ngiwasebenzise. Mhlawumbe azoba khona nje ukuthi mangabe mhlawumbe kudingela ama-extras, maybe le nginama-characters ine-room nama-characters mhlawumbe more than 50, or mhlawumbe ine-hall or ine-church ngifuna extra characters ngiwasebenzise lapho lo ma-characters. So family, nizongazisa-ke down below kwi-comment section ukuthi nithi nifuna ukustika kuma-characters eniwenzayo, noma nithi nje ayivela nidedele lento ama-characters abe maningi. Sengina nama-characters-ke abelungu Jesu angisabathandi kanjena. Hayibo, abelungu bahle guys, sengigxishile-ke abelungu bagcwele. Lento yami-ke bakhona abanye abantu abama-creators, uthola ukuthi umuntu uzo-create i-character base yakuthengisela lowo character, yabona. Mina angikwazi uku-create umuntu afane ncamashini nomuntu afane ncamashini lomuntu engifuna ukumenza. Angikho talented ngalokho. Kodwa-ke ngiyakwazi nje ukwenza umuntu ukuthi phela ngiba ne-idea ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza umuntu okanje ngimenze abe ngale ndlela engine-idea ngayo, but ukuthi mhlawumbe ngizosukela ngithathe uMandela ngikwazi ukuthi ngimenze exactly. But bakhona abantu abakwazi ukwenza abantu exactly in such a way that nami I do have characters like Kim Kardashian, Kim Kardashian konje, nginawo Rihanna, nginawo Angelina Jolie, bakhona nje nabanye abantu enginabo, yabona lonto leyo. So family, yona indaba leyo, just comment down below, sihlekane ngalo daba le-English, siduduzane futhi ukuhleka okupositive nosukuhleka okunegative. However ke nami sengikwi-stage la sengina-nonchalant khona, kodwa ke I think it's also positive, important to be positive, because when you are negative attract more negative comments, and awazi ukuthi umuntu angafika kungaba kanjani isiphi stage esingambreaka. But at this point Shem Mandla Shem Nkosi yami awubandla ngathi nguRamaphosa ukuthi nje anginendaba izwe liyashangala mina ngizithilele ngiyadlala. Guys, I'm not trying to politic, kodwa ke it is what it is. It is what it is. Kodwa ke guys, ngicela badla singabi negative. I know family ukuthi anisiba abantu aba-negative, you are always positive, but nantu udaba ke phela bengifuna nje ukulibeka ezithebeni ukuthi kunjani. So family, othi ngaphinda into eyodwa over and over, ngivalelise ngithi kusasa kune possibility ukuthi nginganiboni, mhlawumbe ngizonibona ngaphambili kwakusasa. And abantu basemzini laba abazayo, kuza usisi wami, my younger sister, nomkhonyana wakhe nomunye usisi wasemzini wakasisi wami, and neyingane, they recently gave birth. Not recently. Niyamazi usisi wami nonke, nambona nganitshengisa yena, my younger sister, niyamazi umuntu ongamasisi wami omncane. So they are coming to visit and kuzoba mnandi nje. So ngizobe ngipreparela bona namhlanje, ngizovuka manje kuseni ngisenza ikhanda. After ikhanda abo 10 njengoba ngirecorda le video, qale ngabo 8 ukwenza ikhanda. After ikhanda sengiyaqeda, ngiyaclean endlini, ngiyapheka, nami ngiba fresh, ngiba right, ngiba relevant. Maseke kuba mnandi ke ziyakhala. Ngiyabonga-ke family, ayilali ibonene itorini ezilandelayo. Ningakhohlwa ukuthi nisifollowishe to all social media platforms, futhi ningakhohlwa ukuthi nishare content yethu to kubantu abahlukile. Futhi ningakhohlwa family ukuthi uthando enginalo ngani nginithanda kakhulu, futhi nami ngiyalizwa olwenu uthando. Like ngivela ngibe emotionally, angazi kule nsuku ave ngi-emotional, ngiyalizwa uthando lwenu isikakhulu nje kwi-comment section, ngiyalibona. Nange-behavior nje ni-behavior ngayo, yoba kwethu siyi-community strong, ngisho singabancane but we are very very strong. Buzz SA to all social media platforms, siyanithanda kakhulu.